Let's try to write the alphabets, children. This is capital A, and we have small a. Well done. Let's try writing B. B for ball, capital B. Yes, and this is small b. Right. Let's try C. C for cat. A small half circle for the small c. Yes. D. Let's try D. Straight line and one half circle. This is capital D. Straight line and one half circle. This is small d. Now E. E for egg. Let's try writing E. It's very easy. Straight line and 3 sleeping lines. Okay, E. Yes. After E comes F. Let's try to write F. Yes, this is capital F. This is small f. Let's try G. Small circle, half circle, one line going inside. Now here also half circle and one line goes down. H. 2 standing lines and one sleeping line. This is small h. Then comes I. I is very easy, just standing lines. This is small I with the dot. J. Yes, this is capital J and this is small j. Well done. Then comes K. Let's try to write K. Yes, well done. And this is small k. Then comes L. L is very easy. Standing line and a sleeping line. And a standing line is small l. Okay. M. Standing line, standing line. And this is capital M. Now let's try small m. Very good. Well done. We are doing great. Then comes N. Standing line. Capital N and then small n. Then comes O. A circle. A circle for capital O and a small circle for small o. We are doing great. Now P. Capital P and small p. P for parrot. Okay, we have done P. Now after P comes Q. One circle and a small standing line. This is capital Q and this is small q. We are doing great. Now comes R. R for rabbit. R for rose. Yes, well done. This is small r. And after R comes S. Yes, this is capital S. And this is small s. After S comes T. One sleeping line and one standing line. For capital T, for small t also the same. Then comes U. Yes, this is capital U. And this is small u. Small letter. Now V for van. This is capital V and this is small v. W. It looks like 2 V's together, isn't it, children? This is capital W and this is small letter W. Then comes X. Yes, 2 slanting lines. Capital X, small x. Then comes Y. Y for yak. Yes. Practice makes perfect, children. Practice will really make you perfect. Now this is Z. Capital Z and small z.